Before install the machine, the users need to open this plate and hang this gravity column across there. The rope end hung at the end here. The first step is to connect the electrical wires with this control box and the machine. There are two bundles, one for gantry and one for table. To connect the two bundles electric wires with these wires, there's markers on these cables. You find these electric wires with these markers and connect them. The second step is to connect this control box with this computer. This socket is for this electric wires for computer case. This is for screen. You connect them. And also connect this screen with this computer case. The third step is to connect this power supply. There are 3 wires of live wires and 1 neutral wire. The fourth step is to connect the air compressor. This tube is for compressed air. The compressed air can make tension of the cutting wires. Turn off the compressed air. Install this cutting wire on the wheels. There are 4 wheels. The cutting wire installed in the grooves of these wheels. Install the cutting wires. You turn on the compressed air. So the air is made tension by these cylinders. The last step is to make an alignment of this cutting wire and the table edge. The direction key go up and down is for the cutting wires to go up and down. This is for for the table to go left and right. Before cutting, you need to make alignment of this cutting wire with the edge of this table. If this alarm starts, turn off this button and reset in March 3. Turn it on. 哎，不行啊！
关闭，打开它，让往这边来一点。你这样不动，你就把它按一下，然后让它往反方向回来一些，知道吧？不再触碰它就行了。
There are sensors for this moving gantry and this table. If the table or the moving gantry touch the sensor, it gives alarm. To stop the alarm, you need to move the table or the gantry at the other direction and turn off the button, sensor button. Reset it. Move the table at the other direction. Turn off on the sensor button, then it's okay.